Do any of these scenarios sound like you? Maybe you're a nurse who wants to open a medical spa, but needs a physician in order to administer the Botox. Or maybe you're a naturopath who wants to hire a physical therapist in your practice. Are you allowed to do that? Or maybe you're a social worker who wants to expand across state lines into areas where you're not licensed, but you plan to hire others who are duly licensed. If you're in one of these situations, or maybe a similar one, the answer to your problems might be an MSO, which is a management service organization. I'm Erin Jackson with Jackson LLP Healthcare Lawyers. I'm going to break down some of the basics behind the concept of an MSO. In most states, only medical professionals are allowed to own medical practices. However, if you're not appropriately licensed to offer the services you want to offer, whether because you don't have a high enough license or a state-specific license, you can still offer management services. Under this MSO model, you have two companies. The first company offers the actual medical services. Let's say you're a medical spa, that is the entity that employs the doctors. Then you have a second company. This is your management service organization. This is your company. Your company offers janitorial, receptionist, billing, non-medical hiring and firing, everything related to running a practice that is not medical services. The relationship between these two parties is then set forth in what's called a management service agreement, an MSA. This is a really complicated contract that outlines the duties and obligations of both parties, as well as what your relationship is going to look like. One of the biggest ones is, as a management company, how am I going to get paid? And the answer is you're going to receive a flat fee payment each month or each week from the medical practice, but you will not be paid based on revenues from patient care. The management service agreement will be mindful of all the laws that apply to you, including things like Stark Law, Anti-Kickback Statute, False Claims Act, state fee splitting provisions, and state corporate practice of medicine doctrine. This sounds really complicated, but it's doable, and it's a great way for you to participate in the type of medical discipline that you want to, and for you to assist in the management of a medical practice while still complying with the law. To learn more about how this might help you build the practice you envision, you can learn more at our website at www.jacksonllp.com, where you can schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our attorneys. To learn more about how to keep your practice compliant and running smoothly, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.